This home has a great mix of updates, usable space, and future potential. Located in Phoenix near Maryvale, this 4-bedroom brick home has an updated kitchen, flooring, and bathrooms, newer major systems, and a spacious yard waiting for your vision. So let's go in and take a look. As you walk in, you're welcomed into a spacious main living area with a large living room and plenty of room for dining near the sliding glass door that leads out to the backyard. The updated flooring and fresh interior paint make the space feel bright and inviting, and the exposed interior brick adds warmth and character throughout the main living areas. The large front window was recently replaced, and the automatic shade raises and lowers at the touch of a button for added convenience and privacy. Just off the living room is the updated kitchen with new cabinets, new countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a gas range. This home has a tri-level layout with the main living space in the middle and bedrooms on both levels. Now upstairs you've got 2 larger bedrooms with a bathroom right in the middle. The east-facing upstairs bedroom overlooking the backyard is likely your primary bedroom since it's the only one with 2 closet spaces. The west-facing upstairs bedroom faces the front yard and works well as a secondary bedroom, guest room, or office. Right in the middle is the upstairs bathroom, which has been updated with a newer tub, updated vanity, and toilet. Downstairs, you've got 2 more bedrooms with another bathroom right in the middle. The east-facing downstairs bedroom facing the backyard offers a slightly larger closet, and the exposed brick adds warmth and character. The west-facing downstairs bedroom faces the front yard, and it includes an exterior shade for added privacy and light control, and it also features exposed brick for a unique look. The downstairs bathroom has also been updated with a newer tub, updated vanity, mirror, and toilet. So let's head back through the dining area. The sliding glass door leads out to the backyard, where you'll find a huge covered patio, a large storage shed, and a spacious backyard that's a blank canvas ready for your vision. There's plenty of room out here to create the outdoor setup that fits your lifestyle, whether that means adding grass, designing a garden, creating a play area, or even exploring space for a pool. With alley access and an RV gate, and no HOA, you've got even more flexibility to make the most of the space. Now in the front yard, you'll find a fenced front yard with a rolling gate for added privacy and security. You'll also find a covered carport, an outside laundry room with washer and dryer included, and extra storage. This home also features newer major systems, including the AC, roof, and water heater, so some of the big ticket items have already been taken care of. Now, situated in Phoenix near Maryvale, this home offers convenient access to neighborhood parks, along with easy access to I-10 and I-17, and a relatively easy commute to downtown Phoenix. This property offers a great blend of updates, usable space, and opportunity. Between the interior updates, the flexible layout, and the usable outdoor space, this home offers you comfort now, while you still have room to make it your own over time. If you'd like to see more information or a virtual 3D walkthrough, be sure to click on the link in the description. If you'd like to see it in person, give me a call. Again, I'm April Boris with Arizona Best Real Estate, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.